Hey, gonna get right into it real quick because I know you guys seen this shoe a million times. Okay, it's the Yeezy 700, 700. Mauve, I think that's what it's called. Am I right? So that, but it's the gray Yeezy, man. Okay, everybody and their mom and their sister and their aunt and their uncle could have gotten this shoe because they had. I guess they had a million pairs. I don't know if they were taking pre-orders or they still got a bunch of these. But I just remember. I don't know if Kanye was doing an interview on the Breakfast Club or something like that. And he was like, "Yeah, at some point you're gonna be able. The shoes are gonna be more and more available, and you're gonna be able to walk in the store at some point and just pick these up." Now, I didn't believe him, but he is slowly getting there, right? Now this is not the main Yeezy, okay? But and this is kind of like a spinoff of it, but he's putting out a whole bunch of different types and models of the shoe. So they're making more pairs, and it's not losing its hype as bad as I thought it would because people still want them. You know what I mean? Even with all the other stuff, with the Trump stuff, like we can get into that. That's a whole totally different other thing. I think Kanye just like does like social experiments just to mess with people and stuff like that, or just to hype up his music or his shoes and stuff. But guys, compared, I have on the other one. Okay, compared to the other one, okay, I like both. This is more of a winter, fall-y type shoe, but I'm gonna wear this whenever. So I just give you guys a quick rundown on how I got these. I was just hanging out, watching TV one day, bored on my off day, and I'm going through my emails, checking my emails, trying to swipe them out, and I saw a Adidas email that said Yeezy 700 Mauve or whatever the name of it is still available. I'm like, bullshit. So I go in there and check it out. They had a full size run on there. So I'm like, oh, let me get my credit card out. Let me pull up my computer. I don't want to do it from my phone. Boom, I got them just like that. So I automatically started calling my buddies, and they got them as well. So they only let you buy one from one email. I only wanted one of these anyway. But it was extremely easy if you were paying attention, especially if you were a person that was trying to get these in store or on a certain website or something and you couldn't get them. Man, the Adidas website had them too. My buddy, he got off of work at 8 o'clock at night on that Saturday when they released. And the Adidas website was out of his size, but it had all the other sizes. So they ran out of like 13s and 12s. He wears, and 11 and a halves. So he wears 11 and a half. He went to the Yeezy Supply website at 8 at night, and he still got it. So as far as doing a real hard review, you guys have seen these a million times. The sole is like a gum bottom. Guys, as far as the boost part, does not mess with an Ultra Boost or a Yeezy Boost. It feels like a regular sneaker. It doesn't have any extra like crazy cushioning. It doesn't feel like a cloud or a big booty. You stepping on a big booty or something, or a pillow. It doesn't feel that way. Okay, but it is an amazing sneaker because of the hype. Like honestly, if I saw this in the store, like I said on the last video when I reviewed these right here, if I saw these in the store and I knew these were Yeezy shoes, I wouldn't think twice about this shoe. I'll just be honest. I wear it for the hype. I wear it because it's popular. It's trendy. And this is something I'm going to always keep. Like, when I'm 60 or 70 years old, I'm going to pull these out. And, oh, he got the Yeezys from 2018. Like, yeah, that was me. And I still got them. I want them to be in good condition, hopefully. And they'll start retroing these. And they're probably going to re-release these in other colorways. But, guys, I don't think that because they had so many pairs released. Let me show you. My bad. I've just been tossing it around. But you guys have seen this. Like if you reach my video with my low amount of views, you've seen this a million times already, right? But yeah, they're gonna come out with other They're gonna come out with other colorways and stuff, and I'm waiting on them. So that's pretty much it, guys. Listen, I got like 10 subscribers. Subscribe if you're watching this. Hit the notification bell so you can see when I actually do put up a video. Okay, my lighting is still weak. I want to, like I said before, I want to get 50 videos in before I start putting some real money into this and editing and stuff, because I don't have a lot of time. But anyway, comment, like, subscribe. If you got questions, I'm happy to answer that on my Instagram. My Instagram is Thestylepilot. All right, you want to email me, thestylepilot@gmail.com, and I'll see y'all later, man. Peace out. Good luck on these Yeezys next time, bro.